चलो अब ये क्या है? दरवाजा, वो डोर एस्केप सही है।
This is perfect, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. A very, very warm welcome. Good afternoon. A very, very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to the class. Okay. All right. So there's Kian, there's Manjri Singh. Welcome to the class. Saransh, Anaika, Parinika. Welcome to the class, everyone. Sakshi, Kiara, Rimi Agarwal. Welcome to the class. All right, great. So, for children who have joined and don't know me, my name is Diksha and I live in Agra. So, could you just let me know which city are you from and which standard are you in? It's very important for me to know which standard are you in and which city are you from. Let's get to know each other today first before starting anything else. All right. Kindly mention the city you are from. Okay, Bengaluru, welcome. Yuvraj. Okay, nursery standard. Okay, no problem. Others? Okay, Hoshipur. Hoshiarpur, Punjab. Lovely. Hyderabad. Okay. Sanvi. Delhi, KG. Okay. Sarveen, grade 2, Chennai. Okay, great. Jabalpur. Now class 1 from Ahmedabad. Lovely. Great. UKG, Pune. Okay. Hyderabad. All right. UKG, Ghaziabad. Okay. Lovely. Okay. Class 1. All right. Lovely. So most of the children here, Mumbai, first standard. So most of the children here are in UKG or nursery and first standard. Am I right? Okay, lovely. Nursery. Great, great. So, dear moms, I hope you all are sitting with your children because it's very, very important for you to understand uh, why this phonics program is important for your child. So, children, if your moms are not around you, you can please ask them to come and sit with you for some time so that you get an idea as to how important this phonics program is for your child. All right. Bangalore LKG. Lovely, lovely. So moms, the first thing I want to clarify is that the basic requirement for a phonics program for a child to enroll into a phonics class is that the child should be able to write A to Z very comfortably. Whether capital or small letters, that is not a problem. So if your child is comfortable in writing A to Z very, very comfortably, then your child is ready to learn phonics. So we do not enroll anybody below 3.5 years of age, or sometimes maybe 4, depends. If the child is comfortable with writing A to Z, then we are good to go. Yes. So if your children are ready and they know A to Z very, very comfortably, just write R in the chat box. Please write R in the chat box. If your child knows A to Z very comfortably, has no problem, whether capital or small, no problem. Lovely. Great. Thank you so much for responding. All right. So this is the first clarity that we needed. Now, why is a phonics class very important? See, the age your children are. Thank you so much, everybody, for your response. Now, why do you think a phonics class is important? First of all, your children are at a tender age where they are still learning letters, trying to read sounds, trying to get clarity of sounds. And if we give them guidance of sounds, of basic sounds that are the 26 letters of the English alphabet, and that is just one very, very small bit of phonics, right? So in my phonics course, there are more than 45 sounds that I teach the child. Out of the 26 letters, I teach sometimes more than 45 sounds. Yes. So the first step is, if the child has clarity of sound, reading becomes very comfortable for them. And when they are able to blend the words and read, then definitely the confidence level goes up. Their spellings are taken care of. Yes. And most of the children, once they grow older, they are in first, second, third standard, fourth standard. There are so many children who are making spelling mistakes because they did not have the clarity of sound. And we had a demo class for the senior batch, which was in the morning today. And children were even in the 4th, 5th grade. And the parents were like, the biggest mistake they are making is of spellings, and that is why their marks are deducted. So if the children at this age where your children are taken care of by giving them clarity of sound, it will not only help them in writing correct spellings, it will help them in reading, it will help them in boosting their confidence, and so many more things. Yes, sounds clarity. So that is the first step. The second step is that the class is conducted at a very slow pace. Now, if I have to cover so many sounds, I cannot cover too many sounds in one day. So I take regular dictations. Every child will have to give a dictation while I'm saying the word. The child has to write in the notebook so that the child is doing a recap. Yes, that will help me also to know, the parent also to know that where is the child lagging. If suppose there is some sound that you feel that the child is not clear about, then we can always revise and repeat that sound with the child so that they get clarity. Yes. And in every single class, whatever they are learning, whatever sounds they are learning, whatever words they are writing, they are expected to unmute and even read them out. Because reading practice is a part of a phonics class. Yes. So I'm going to teach them in many schools, they are called sight words. In many schools, they are called CVC words which the child should know. Yes. So that is also taken care of. Regular dictations are given for that also. So a very big clarity I want to make in the beginning of the course is that teaching in itself is a collaboration of the parent and the child. Yes. So I am teaching, I'm taking the dictation also. I'm going to help them to read also. They will be unmuting and reading. But at the same time, I request the mothers to kindly recap with them during the week, because the children will be meeting me on weekends. So if there is regular recap, the child is going to perform extremely well. Yes, but if there is no recap at your end, the child might lag, which I have seen over a long period of time, right? So the class is going to be conducted 2 times in a week. I'll give you a very small example. When we go for, there are short vowel sounds and there are long vowel sounds, right? Now, if the child knows O is O, O, the formation of the mouth is also very important. O, that is the short vowel sound of O. So that single sounds are sometimes covered in schools also. Many schools do not cover the single sounds also, but now most of the schools are covering the single sounds. Now, if the child knows that when O has a partner, this is O, this is the long O sound. So this is the long vowel sound of O, long vowel sound. If the child knows that whenever O and A are together, they are going to make a O sound. So reading coat, goat, soap, load, foam, roam becomes so much more easier. I hope you can relate with this. Yes. So this is a very, very small example that I gave you. Yes. So if the child is going to learn lots and lots and lots of sounds like this, once they get clarity of the short vowel sounds, of the long vowel sounds, there will be various rules. A lot will be covered during the whole session, during the whole course, which is going to be lasting for 1 year. And I always request parents that please don't rush them, because they are at a very tender age. If they grasp it well, it is going to be with them always. That is why I don't rush. I am not going to be running in the class. It is going to be taken very slowly. The child will be reading and writing dictations with me. With your support, they will be revising. And if there is any doubt, or if you feel that your child is not clear about a particular sound, it will be revised again. So you don't have to worry at all. There will be worksheets which will be provided for you. There will be the batch size that I'm going to take is going to be very, very small, of only 12 children in one class, because they will be given personal attention. Every child will be interacting with me, reading along with me. But I request that the parent, these children are really very young, so they need to be accompanied by an adult. Yes, the class duration per class will be approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour max. So the parent is requested to please take out that much time twice a week, so that the mother is sitting with the child. It's very important. Why? Because when I'm doing the recap, if the mother knows the sound, she will be able to do a recap in a better way. Sometimes the parent is not aware of the sound, which is not their fault. Yes. So when the recap is done incorrectly, then the child gets very confused, because I'm teaching something else. You're going to do a recap, you're going to teach something else, and that gets very confusing. Yes. So these are the few things that I wanted to tell you. And I will just give you another example. Yes. Another example. There is a rule in phonics which says that when G is followed by E, I, or Y, means when G, after G, E, I, or Y is written, the G sound of G changes to J. This is a rule in phonics. G says G, but when after G we are writing E, I, or Y, the sound of G changes to J. Now let's see the examples. Gems. We do not say, Mama, I want to eat gems. We say gems. Yes? Gym. We don't say gim. We say gym. Ginger, not ginger. Why? Because after G there is an I and after G there is an E. So just imagine if your child gets this clarity, from now they will be able to read words like giraffe, giant, ginger, gems, so many other words, which sometimes are confusing. A lot of parents would come to me and say that my child is asking me this question, that when there is G, which makes G sound, then why are we calling it J? Because J makes J sound, not G. Yes, there are certain exceptions also, like girl, gun, gut. Yes, but not girl, gut, I'm sorry. Girl. This is girl. But this is an exception. Yes, so there are many rules like that which are covered in phonics to give clarity to your child. And there are many words which are going to be covered which do not follow any rule. They do not follow any rule. They are come under the category of tricky words. So all those words will also be taught to the child. Yes, there are many other things which are covered during the course. It's a complete course of 1 year and sometimes more also, because it all depends how the child is responding. Yes, and if it takes us a week or two ahead of 1 year, then don't worry. It's not a matter of time. It is a matter of how well the child is doing. Yes, so these are few points that I wanted to cover. If any of you have doubts, please feel free to ask me. Please feel free to ask me. If there is any doubt that is coming to your mind, please feel free to ask. Does anyone have doubts? You can raise your hand. Not able to unmute. Ma'am, kindly, are you on camera? You can raise your hand. The team will unmute you. Goshika. Please keep your camera on, ma'am, and raise your hand. The team will unmute you. Ayat Garg. Ayat Garg. Yes, please unmute.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ji,
Actually,
please
my
tell me.
daughter just came in second standard. She's
Okay.
not able to understand question, what's it's written in her exam paper. So my concern is this: how she is going to solve her exam paper if she don't understand what's written in question.
आप believe करेंगे ma'am, you'll not believe, this is one question that lots of parents they get very worried, because the class teacher is only saying one thing, that the child cannot read instructions on their own, and they
Yes.
after a certain age they do not help the children because they feel that the child should know. Right? So,
Yes.
ma'am, the only answer to this question is that you must enroll her, because only when she is able to get the clarity of sounds, she'll be able to read by herself.
Mm-hmm. Correct, ma'am.
Right? That is the reason why parents who have the same, parents are putting it in the chat box that they have similar challenges, is because the child at maybe in nursery level or KG level in the school should have been enrolled into a phonics program so that this challenge wouldn't have come at all. But
Mm-hmm.
doesn't
Correct.
matter. You will not believe, I have children even in the 6th or 7th grade who joined phonics, and I asked them, I said, what happened? Why didn't you do it earlier? So the
Mm-hmm.
parents were like, ma'am, we had no awareness. We did not know at
Correct,
that
correct.
time. And now that my child is at a loss, the child cannot cope in the class because the child is unable to read. It is so very difficult. at this age because there's so much panic in the parent and the pressure on the child as well. So, ma'am,
Yes.
I think immediately you should enroll her for the class so that, see, because as I told you, the pace of the class is going to be slow. We cannot rush, but we make sure that whatever they are learning, right, they are practicing. You're going to make them revise. I'm going to make them revise. They're going to be reading with me in the class. So eventually, slowly, step by step, this problem will be taken care of. So don't worry at all. Maximum children who
Mhm.
even come in other batches, they always have this biggest thing because the teacher is not cooperating in the school, and the only complaint in the PTM is the child is not able to read instructions. They cannot read the
Yes.
question only. So if they're not reading the question, they know the answer, but they don't know how to write it because they
Correct, ma'am.
actually, ma'am, you know what we are doing? We're making them learn by heart.
Mhm.
What is
Ah,
the color of the dress? Answer हमें
yes,
पता है, the
yes,
color of
yes,
the dress
yes.
is blue. But the question, child cannot read the question only.
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am.
So, ma'am, this is the age, especially parents who are listening to me,
Don't do that.
is that at the age of nursery, KG, just, what should I say? Take care of this problem ASAP so that by the time your child is going to class 1 or class 2, it's taken care of. Because the
Okay, ma'am.
program is a long program, ma'am. It is a skill that we are developing. We are
Mhm.
developing the skill of reading, of recognizing sounds. So it cannot be a rushed up program. There are many people who are doing phonics in 3 months, in 6 months. Ma'am, I go very slow because I would want that the child reads independently, takes dictation independently by the time they end the 1 year course with me. And for that, ma'am, I need the cooperation of the parents also. As I've mentioned many times, that I'm
Yes,
also
ma'am.
doing it. When you revise it at home, trust me, you'll see a huge difference.
Correct, ma'am.
Yeah.
Correct.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Actually, I also tried to enroll my daughter. You sent some number on WhatsApp, so I'm not able to connect it on WhatsApp with that number.
Acha, you were not able to connect. Team, if you could
Yes.
please take care of Ayat Gar's mama for that. Or is your
Yes,
name
ma'am.
Ayat? I'm sorry, I don't know. है ना? Team,
Okay.
if you could take care of this, please. Ayushi ma'am, are you in the class?
Yes, yes, ma'am, I'm unmute.
Yes. So please get in touch with Ayat's mom.
Sure, ma'am. You can WhatsApp me. I've shared my number, so you can WhatsApp me and get in touch.
Please,
Hello, ma'am.
yes, please take care of this. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Parinika mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have the same problem also. My daughter is in second standard this year, and she has the same problem. She is not able to read her
Read
questions
the
in question
questions.
paper.
Ma'am,
And not,
this is a very big challenge.
yeah. So is it correct to join her this batch or senior batch? As she is just 7 years old, but she is not
She's,
able to read properly. And
ma'am, I would recommend till class 2, the children should be in the junior batch only.
yeah,
Because they must have gone to class 2 just now only.
yeah, exactly. That's why
Correct?
I joined this demo class.
So, ma'am, I don't think children who have graduated from class 2 to class 3 can be in the senior batch because, ma'am, 1 year gap also at this age is huge. Their understanding and grasping levels are hugely different at different age groups. So, I would suggest the child has gone from class 1 to 2 just now, right?
Okay.
In the month of April, correct? So,
month
I
of
would suggest ki stick to the junior batch. Trust me, the course is the same. It's
Okay.
just a little difference of pace. Speed ka farak hoga, and that's it. The course is same for both the batches.
And how you will provide us worksheet? It will be in PDF.
Ma'am,
or-
worksheets will be posted in PDF format on the WhatsApp group.
Okay. And we
Everything will be all the material, the recordings, the whatever I'm writing. Suppose I'm writing these are very important notes, right?
Okay.
So I put it date wise, properly date ke hisab se. So I request every parent maintain a register, cover it nicely. Even after the course is over, please keep that register like a guide for you.
Yes.
Even 1 year after the course is over.
Okay.
I am actually saying that live, okay? Even after 6 months or 1 year that the course is over, if you feel that this particular sound is not clear, I will request the team to give my personal number to you. Please get in touch with me कि मैम एक बार रिवाइज करा दीजिए.
Okay, okay, okay. Thanks to you. Yeah, that
Ma'am,
should be.
we are here to support you in every possible way. Why? Because ma'am, bachcha hai, they will forget sounds.
And
So
online they should need support.
without parent, I wouldn't
Yeah,
want these chota bachchas to sit for the class because ma'am, if
definitely.
suppose I am teaching her, oh, this sound,
Yeah,
and you haven't heard it. Now you are teaching something else. I'm teaching something else. The kid is going to
yeah,
get super confused.
for computers.
We can't afford that, right? So I would request the parent, please wo 45 minutes nikalo. Please sit with your baby so that you know what is happening. And trust me, when I took the training, my children are much older. My elder son is 24, my younger son is 20. And
Oh,
I've been teaching for last 10 years. I've been teaching phonics for last 10 years. And my children said, you didn't teach us like this. I said, I didn't know phonics at that time. Trust me, we teach our children mar ke spelling learn karo, because there is no
right,
way. And
right,
I
right.
feel I suffered. I used to, what all I didn't do to teach my children spellings. They were bashed up by me because all their marks were deducted. They knew the whole answer. Out of 2 marks, 1 mark is gone only because spellings are wrong.
Same thing with my daughter. No, not spelling this time. So she is not able to read the question. She knows the answer, spelling also, but she doesn't know. And teachers are not ready to repeat the question and everything.
Ma'am, uska reason hai. The reason is that they expect that the child by this age should know this much.
Yeah, exactly.
है ना?
They should know everything.
They
And
feel
nursery and KG, they didn't do anything.
हाँ nursery KG they support. Class 1 के बाद they stop supporting. They say, ma'am, you
They
should
stop
have taken
supporting.
care of it.
Yeah,
You'll
of
not
course.
believe maximum parents come for phonics with this because by the time the child is going from class 1 to class 2 or from KG to class 1, they feel, oh
Okay.
God, this is a big challenge. That's why you notice maximum parents are from class 1 and 2 because उनका ये challenge आ जाता है कि बच्चा तो read ही नहीं कर पा रहा. The kid is not able to read.
Yes.
So, ma'am, I request you join ASAP because the batch is going to be really very small.
Acha, okay.
12 children
Yeah.
से ज़्यादा I will not take in one batch because, ma'am, I need to give them personal attention.
You will do once a week or twice a week?
Twice a week, ma'am.
Acha, twice a week.
Only on weekends. All the details will be sent to you by the team.
Okay. Yeah, I am ready.
Ayushi, ma'am, if it is not a problem, could you just post the timings of the batches, please, of the junior batch?
Sure, ma'am, I'll do it.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Thank you. Don't worry, ma'am. If we are
Yeah, she is my
both
pet
working in
Karinka.
collaboration, hi, cutie. If we are working in collaboration, they'll excel. Don't worry.
In fact, you know, I am in Mumbai. After that, she is not ready to speak or read confidently. So
Acha.
hope she will do with you better.
Don't worry. Don't worry. They will overcome all their hesitation. Don't worry.
Yeah, hesitation also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I have posted all the time slots for junior batch and senior batch in the WhatsApp group, so all the parents can directly take it from there. I've already posted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parents, you all can check out the details of the days and timings of the junior batch from the WhatsApp group. Yes. Goshika. Okay, please. Okay, ma'am, Naisha's mama is there and please unmute. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what my daughter, she's also going in grade 2, ma'am. This year she started her grade 2. So while ma'am is taking dictation, she makes spelling errors there. Maybe she's not able to grasp the proper pronunciation or something. So this is where she's lacking, and even in the reading skills.
Ma'am,
yeah.
all these issues, pronunciation, because ma'am, when I'm reading, the child is going to be unmuted and the child has to read the sound that I might randomly tell her, ki Naisha,
Yes.
read this word or do this or do that. The moment the pronunciation is wrong, immediately she will be checked by me. So she would know that the pronunciation is going incorrect. Correct? Hai na? So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
will be taken care of. Plus, when she has the clarity of sounds, ma'am.
Yes,
And
yes.
trust me, making spellings will become much more easier.
Okay.
They don't have the right guidance, no? So,
Yes,
moreover,
yes.
ma'am, in every class, the child will unmute, read the word. Gradually, we will move to sentences. And
Okay.
last stage is paragraph dictation. Okay, if
Right.
I'm giving you a paragraph dictation, for example, I have a blue pen.
Okay.
My mother gifted it to me. I like it very much. I keep it in my pencil box. इतना तो लिखो. At least.
Yes, yes, yes.
So when I'm dictating and they are writing, that is the last stage.
Okay.
Where I expect them to take at least 3 to 4 sentences of
Okay.
paragraph dictation. You know, I saw a lion. है ना? I
Like
got scared. The lion was in the cage. XYZ.
so
छोटा
like there
छोटा
are few
sentences.
sight words and dolls words also, that all those words will be
Ma'am,
taken care of.
sight words are taken care of, tricky words are taken care of.
Yes,
अब जैसे for example because है.
yes, yes. Yeah.
Because follows no rules.
No rules. Yes, ma'am.
So you will have to learn by heart.
Yeah,
So
by
ma'am,
heart.
there will be
Yeah.
dictation of sight words also.
Okay, okay. And like OUGH words, all those
Yes,
words.
yes, yes. I'll give you an example, ma'am. I'll give you an example. I was just doing it with the other batch also. Now, if suppose the child knows that OUGHT together makes ought sound. Ought.
Yes, yes.
बराबर है? Correct? Now, if the child knows OUGHT, when it is together, it makes ought sound. So, fought, bought.
This is what is not being taught in the school, maybe. So the kids are lagging behind in all.
Lost. They are lost. And ma'am, this is not an easy sound.
Yes, yes,
Lot
ma'am.
of adults also cannot pronounce it correctly.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
हमने तो मैम phonics सीखा ही नहीं.
Yes, yes.
We
So
didn't do
ma'am,
anything, है
we
ना?
didn't do anything, but still, yeah.
So if we can make life easier for our children, then why not?
Yes, yes,
Why
sure.
give them that trauma, rato? Because certain things they will have to learn by
Yes, yes,
heart.
yes.
They have no choice, ma'am.
No
है ना?
choice.
So
Yes, yes.
just imagine it will become so much more easier.
Okay.
Yes. So reading, pronunciations, dictations, everything will be taken care of.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना?
So junior batch would be suitable for her age. She's 7
Yes,
years
ma'am.
old.
Please, अगर class 2 में just the child
Yeah,
has graduated to
just
class
one,
2, please stick to the junior batch.
junior batch. Okay.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, ma'am, बिल्कुल.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ji. Thank you. Yes, Titisha. Beta, please unmute, ma'am. She's been waiting for very long. Good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून।
जी
मुझे ये पूछना था कि आपका क्लास बहुत अच्छा था, पर आप थोड़ा हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करोगे तो मतलब बच्चे को थोड़ा समझ आएगा कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो।
नो प्रॉब्लम मैम, बिल्कुल, बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो थोड़ा सा उनको चैलेंज रहता है ना?
हाँ,
उनमें कोई
हाँ।
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मैम। हम इंडिया में रहते हैं तो हमारे बहुत सारे बच्चे हिंदी बोलते हैं और हमें उसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बहुत जरूरी है कि इंग्लिश की नॉलेज हो, पर हिंदी की भी उतनी जरूरी है ना? एंड
हाँ,
वेरी सून विल बी ऑल्सो स्टार्टिंग हिंदी फोनिक्स, क्योंकि वो भी बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है हमारे बच्चों के लिए, है ना? तो मैम हिंदी का भी यूज रेगुलर होगा, तो आप उसके लिए परेशान नहीं होइए, बिल्कुल।
थैंक यू। और मुझे एनरोल करना है तो आप डिटेल और वो
मैम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे नंबर और टाइमिंग्स और सब डिटेल्स हैं। आयुषी मैम, have you sent your number for registration, please?
Yes, yes. I've shared my number on WhatsApp group so they can get in touch with me.
जी
ओके,
मैम,
थैंक यू
आप
सो मच।
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे जिसमें से आपको लिंक मिला है ना जूम का, उसी
हाँ,
ग्रुप
हाँ,
में आयुषी मैम ने सारे डिटेल्स डाले हुए हैं, तो आप उनसे व्हाट्सएप पे टच में रह सकते हैं, वो बाकी सारे डिटेल्स आपको बता देंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
थैंक यू। यस,
Yeah,
Goshika
I
is
think I
Mama.
can take it up now, ma'am.
Yes, please, ma'am, please.
Yes. Am I
Thank you.
audible?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I have a issue with my kid. I have twin babies, baby
Okay.
girls. So elder one is pretty much okay, but the younger one is little lacking. So mainly on the focusing skill. So now she just improved. Actually, she has to go to second class, but because she was not able to identify the words properly and can't read them out, so I'm continuing with the first class this year as well. So make her to more comfortable being in the same class, so she will comfortable with all known things. So my I identified the same thing what you just told na. So in LKG and UKG we didn't realize that it need that much. Even
Ji.
we were even on PTMs, we were keep on saying, we were keep on informing them that they are not identifying the sounds properly. Please take care of them. But still, at the end of the year, it was not addressed, and we left out with the issues, right? So
Ji.
her confidence level is going down because all other kids are reading and identifying the words with the teacher, but she is not able to. So she's completely blank in the class.
I know. She must be
Yeah,
feeling very
so
lost, ma'am. It's not a good
yeah,
feeling, not a good feeling for the
yeah,
child.
that's why. So after she comes to home also, when I ask her like what you did in the classroom, so she was saying, no, I'm not understanding. Whenever they are saying something, whichever words she was able to identify, like kind of this, that, are, so, to, kind of these words, I'm able to catch up with the teacher, but not with the all the words. So she was pretty much okay in the oral, but when they are saying something, she was not able to write it properly. She is not able to finger point the right word when teacher
Acha.
is dictating something on the textbook. So
Acha.
that's where I am continuing with the first class now, and I'm expecting at the end of year is like she has to be comfortable with the sounds, and she should be able to read the sentences. That's
Yes.
fine. Not much, like every kid might not be the same, so she might not reach the 100% of that. I'm not even expecting that. At least 30-40% of reading,
Bilkul.
if she
Bilkul.
gets, that's fine, because I'll continue further even in the second class, so she would be comfortable after second class. So
Ma'am,
that's
first of all,
where
I'm so sorry to interrupt you, ma'am, but I think you're really very wise by continuing the first class standard one
yeah,
for the child that you feel is lagging behind, because sometimes parents don't understand. They just want to push their children to the next class. So that's one, I really appreciate your concern for your children, and that's very, very wise, because once a base is strong and once she
yeah,
joins the class, ma'am, with your support and with my support, she's going to be able to read. Trust me, because we go very slow. We cannot rush
okay,
up with these children because they are really very young. Yes. So, with regular
yeah,
class and regular reading practice in the class itself, yes, the children will be able to gain that confidence first of all. Number one, my target is
yeah.
once the learning starts happening, the confidence will start coming. Yes.
Yeah, so
So,
I am like even she is not much interactive, ma'am. So even she doesn't respond, make her to make her feel comfortable, and ask her to repeat the words. Even she is
yes,
not responding. So for the first 2-3 classes, she might not be comfortable with you. Like for the new person, she might not comfortable. So I'm expecting, even this falls under Saturday and Sunday, right? That's where I really want to enroll, because I'm a working woman, so I can't sit with her on the weekdays.
I can
So weekends,
understand,
that would
ma'am.
be possible for me. Yeah.
Don't worry at all. Ma'am, that is the reason why we have a batch size of only 12 children.
Sure. Okay.
So they all
I
will.
enrolled for
Huh.
I enrolled for drawing classes actually. That's where I came to know the phonics classes. I was in that batch, so I got the news earlier.
Ji, ji. No, not a
Okay.
problem at all, ma'am. Most welcome. We'll take care
Yeah,
of it.
thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
ready to enroll. I'll just go through the details and I'll connect with the right person.
Sure, sure, ma'am. Sure. The number is in the
Thank
Zoom meeting in the chat also, and in the WhatsApp group also.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
Thank you.
you. Yes. All right. Okay. Who's next? Anvesha Saxena. Ma'am, do you wish to ask a question? Kindly unmute. Yes. Good afternoon. सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. Yes, now I can hear you.
Ma'am, actually, I have a daughter who is going to become 6 years old in the month of May. Hello.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, right now he has come in UKG class. So is it the right time to join the class for her?
Does she write
Does
ABCD?
she write ABCD?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
She
one
can
moment.
perfectly write
One moment.
ABCD, ma'am.
Acha, oh, one moment.
Acha,
Team,
oh,
my
one
voice
moment.
is
Team, my
echoing.
voice is echoing.
Sorry.
One moment, sir. One
One
moment.
moment, sir. One moment.
Yes.
Ayushi, ma'am.
Ayushi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
voice is
My
echoing.
voice is echoing.
Yeah, it is actually
Yeah,
at
it is
their
actually at their
End. So I should
end. So I should
mute myself.
maybe
mute
the
myself.
device is
The
placed
device
on a
is placed
surface.
on
They
a
need to lift
surface.
it
They
up.
need to lift it up.
Sir, आपका
Sir,
device
आपका
is
device
kept on
is kept
some
on
soft.
some soft.
Can you just
Can
Can
lift
you
it
just
up?
lift it up?
Yes, ma'am. Why not, ma'am?
Is that okay?
Hello.
Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect.
Hello.
Okay, perfect.
Ma'am, actually, I have a question. My daughter is just going to pursue in the class of UKG in the coming session, ma'am. So is it the right time to join the class given by you is the perfect time?
Sir, if the
Sir,
child
if the
can
child
write
can
A to
write
Z
A to Z
Yeah.
comfortably,
Yes, ma'am.
then definitely the child can join.
child can join.
Okay, ma'am.
The earlier the
Okay.
The
better.
earlier the better.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Yuvraj,
Yuvraj,
please unmute.
please unmute.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. I can hear
Yes.
you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have two children. The elder daughter is 7 years old. Now she will be, in couple of days, she will be 7 years old. And one more child is there. Second child is Yuvraj. He is 4 years, 6 months old. So the problem with my daughter is that she can read the words, sentences, but when it comes to writing, she makes a lot of spelling mistakes. For example, when she in computer class they took one dictation. There they told her to write alphabet. She wrote in place of ph she wrote f, alpha, fa, not pha, and
Right.
enter. Enter also enter. She wrote ir. Sometimes she writes ir because they all make sound. And when it comes to backspace, space she writes like yes, not ce. And
Correct.
back also when it comes back bak or bac. But
Okay.
sometimes that she gets confusion way to write C, when to write K, when to write CK, when to write KE, like that. These kind of
Ma'am,
confusion.
all these are rules in phonics in which the child will know when to write CK, when to write space में C के बाद E. All these are rules in phonics that are taught. IR,
Okay.
UR, ER all make sound.
Yeah, but
Yes?
she knows when it comes CE, she knows it makes sir sound.
Huh.
But while writing, she doesn't understand which one to write. She knows
Okay.
C will make sound. C, when it sits with CE, C will sits with E, it makes sound. But when it comes to writing, no, she's feeling difficulty in writing.
Ma'am, practice. It's only practice.
Okay.
So if you feel that this is the challenge, ma'am, then she must join the class because all these things are going to be taken care of and with regular revision. But regular revision at my end, regular revision at your end is going to help her get over this challenge.
Okay, ma'am.
It's only practice. Only when
Okay.
she's practicing it regularly. Now, for example, face, race, rice, space, all these words, when they are given in dictation and they are explained in the class, like a rule, then the children end up remembering it.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
all these are rules in phonics.
Okay, these things will be taught in this
Will
class,
be
right?
taught. Some things like IR, ER, UR. Yes,
Okay.
they all make sound. I'll just tell you. See, IR as in butter. Okay. Sorry, this is ER. Okay. IR as in skirt. And UR as in burn. Right? So if you notice, UR and IR generally come in between. Just one moment. My screen you cannot see. I'm so sorry. UR and IR generally come in between the word, not at the end. But
Okay.
ER generally comes in between, at the
Yes.
end.
Okay.
Winter, sister, helper, duster,
Okay.
keeper. Now see, if the child knows that ER generally comes at the end, little clarity is given,
Mm.
right? And
Yes.
then IR and UR, there are certain things that you need to learn by heart. For some
Okay.
things, there are no rules.
Mhm.
But if
Okay.
I feel 65 to 70% is also taken care of, the child gets clarity.
Okay, fine.
Right?
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Lisha. Lisha has a question, I think. Ma'am, if you could keep your video on, please. Do you wish to ask a question?
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So my daughter, she's just gone to the UKG.
Okay.
But the way the phonics is being taught in her school, I'm not very happy because they have just made the child mug up. And now, if I at home ask her to spell bat, at the starting she was asked to pronounce it as BAT. And during her final exams, they confused the child and tried to put it in their head that they have to say batter.
Oh,
The child got confused. Should I be using phonics or should I be using ABC? So, which should I do? And they didn't teach the child how to break up. So, now if a child is doing first, you should first go with the two letter words AT, at, C.
yes.
And
Always, ma'am. Always.
yeah, so and then you should teach the child that bat is nothing but B and AT ka combination bat. So
Yes.
that's when it's much more easier. So those basic concepts weren't taught. So I wondered if that would also be taught in this class or how would it be in the class, ma'am?
I'll tell you, ma'am. See, first of all, there is a sequence of letters that we follow, right?
Okay.
So suppose I'm teaching B at a, all three sounds are introduced, right? So when I'm giving a dictation, initially, I will be telling them B at bat. But when the child is reading, you have to say the sound along with it. B at, but फिर एक साथ भी बोलो. Say it all together, bat. So the child knows that B at is also bat, but when said together is also bat.
Bat. All right.
Like when the child is expected to read sounds, right?
Huh.
Recognize sounds and read them because they will be unmuted in every class.
Okay.
So they have to read. I will put up any word. I will put up any word over here or wherever on the screen and I will tell them, ab isko padho, read this. So if it is sa, a, pa, this is the single sound, but I want it all together as well. Sa, a, pa, and when you say it together, it's blending. Sounds ko blend karke bhi bolo. Sa, a, pa, sap.
Yes,
It's
even
done
that
both
also
ways.
she gets confused. Like if she says it's like slowly, like B at a, she'll say it, but then she gets confused what's the word. And if she says it fast, B at a, she'll get it that it's bad.
Huh.
So if you get my point, like if she splits it up slowly, she doesn't get what the word is. But the same thing if she says the letters fast, she'll get the right word.
Ma'am, see pace, speed of the reading, B at a bat, sa apa sap, ka apa cap. Some children are comfortable with this speed. Some children are not comfortable. So every
Not
child is different.
Yeah. So she does it the ulta way. Like if you tell it slowly, she gets confused and she doesn't know what the word is. But the
Okay.
same thing, if she says it fast, she gets the word.
I understand. A lot of children do that. बहुत सारे
Okay.
बच्चे करते हैं tap a tap quickly बोल दो. When you say it very
But
quickly,
it's-
tap a tap, ra at a
Yeah.
rat, ma at a mat, they are very okay with that. Some children are not. So the whole idea is that the child should know what it is. Speed is up to you. It is not a problem.
Okay. And you
Clarity
make
of
them
sound
do
honi chahiye.
reading also?
Sorry?
You make them do reading also in the class?
Yes. If
Okay.
suppose I'm writing these words, so every
Huh.
child will be unmuted. Jaise now we do at words, app words, and words,
Huh.
it words, in words. So all the words will be written. They will be doing a dictation, and then randomly I'll ask, every child in the class will be given a chance to speak. So randomly I will ask any child, please unmute and read this word. Now you read this word. Now because how will I come to know whether they are grasping anything or not? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा otherwise. So I need to know at the same time when the parent is sitting, the parent would also come to know. कि अच्छा, this is something where I need to pay attention. You know?
Yeah.
So you are getting a feedback in the class only.
Huh.
है ना? You're getting a
Alright,
feedback
thank
in the
you.
class.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Utkarsh, do you want to ask a question? Any doubt? Yes, please unmute Utkarsh Madhav. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please tell me,
Ma'am,
beta.
I
Good
am
afternoon.
Ma'am, I am going to class 6, so this batch is suitable for me.
Sweetheart, what challenge do you have? Do you have a problem reading?
Yes, some words.
Some words. Okay. Do you have clarity of sounds? Do you make spelling mistakes?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Then you join the senior batch. This is for the younger ones. Okay. Thank you. If we could send Utkarsh the details of the senior batch, the timings and everything.
Sure,
Okay.
ma'am.
Parinika says that there is no response for enrollment. Ayushi ma'am, if we could take care of that, please.
Yes, ma'am. After class, I'll be responding to all the queries. I'm receiving the queries actually. Once the
Acha.
class is over, I'll be replying to them.
Okay. Actually, dear moms, the team is handling the Zoom meeting right now. You can please drop in all your queries and enroll for details for enrollment. As soon as this class gets over, all your messages will be responded to. So don't worry. Okay. I think we have somebody else who has a doubt. Kiara, is it? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I think this class is very helpful as a parents also, because at that time there is no phonic sounds. So at that time, already tell the rectifications.
I have also studied like that. Trust me.
Yeah. So I think this is really needed at this time also, because at that school times the phonic sound is really needed, because I think boy letter 3 letters is able to read it, but now the longer words are now comes in. She is in grade 1, so I
Yeah.
think difficulties maybe comes in
Yeah,
the class.
and ma'am, as you must be in the meeting for a long time now, but the parents who are enrolling the children at a younger age are at an advantage.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I think this
Because
is a right age to grasp the
perfect age. By the time the child goes to class 2, all these little problems will be taken care of. She'll have more confidence.
You already told that 3 letters word that easily read it. The bat, cap, cap. Now read it like 4 letters, now 5 letters words comes in. She faces some difficulties in this
I
word.
can understand. Ma'am, once she gets clarity of sound,
Yeah.
then trust me, it will be taken care of. And you know
Yeah.
what the best part is? You'll have more fun because you'll realize how easy it is for her.
I also write the notes. I also need this, really needed.
And you know,
Because
when it's going to be
if
my
we have
first
a
class.
knowledge, then I give the knowledge, na?
And I feel why not? Why can't we learn at this age? It's so much more fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
most
really
welcome. It's such a pleasure. Thank you so much. But it feels wonderful when we are learning with our children.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We definitely enroll in this class.
Sorry?
We definitely enroll in this class also.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm sure you'll love it.
Yeah,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank
Thank you. Ji. All right. Any more questions? Ayushi ma'am, any more questions?
Yes, Anvesha's mother.
Yes.
Yuvraj, can you please unmute yourself? And Anvesha?
I think Yuvraj already asked me a question. I think so. And Anvesha has already had a word with me.
Okay, all right, then I think we are done.
We are done? Okay.
Yes.
No questions. Okay, okay, perfect. Does anyone else have any kind of doubt? I'm very happy to help all of you. If there's anything that you wish to ask or any doubt, please feel free. Okay, so we have highlighted someone. Let me see. All right. Meher. Meher. Ma'am, do you have a question?
No, ma'am, no question. She just wanted to talk to you. She's like, I want to
So
ask
sweet.
teacher that I can't write. I can just read the sentences. So I told her, if you enroll, you'll be able to read as well.
So sweet. Good afternoon, Meher. Is her name Meher? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, Meher, very good afternoon. Yes, darling. Once you join the class, you'll be able to write. Don't worry at all. I'll help you. Okay?
Thank you. Bye.
I love you. Thank you, cutie. So sweet. All right. Anybody else, Ayushi ma'am?
No, ma'am, I think we are done.
Okay, thank you so much, dear moms and dads, for joining in the class and taking out time on a Sunday afternoon. Thank you. I will be looking forward for meeting you in the class. Yes, we start our batches this weekend. So I'll see you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you.